I'm curious to see if any other cells on the spreadsheet depend on cell C6. So I'll select it and I'll go to the Formulas tab, and in the Formula Auditing section I'll click Trace Precedence. And it shows me that this cell is not getting its values from any other source. I'll choose OK, but now I'll go to Trace Dependence. And this shows me any cells that depend on the value in cell C6. I'll move to cell E6 and notice there's a formula that is using the value in cell C6. And so is cell C12. And it's also pointing to an icon that looks like a sheet. If I double click on the tip of the black arrow pointing to the sheet, it opens up a dialog box and it shows me that there are two cells on other sheets that depend on the value in cell C6. So I'll click on the first option and click OK. And here's a cell on another sheet with a formula that's also dependent on cell C6.